I want to thank Pat Does on YouTube for commenting on my original Nikon F sounds video and reminding me that the F4, F5, and F6 cameras actually sound different when they don't have film in them. So I made the decision to redo my original test and put film into the F4, F5, and F6. I ended up also putting film into the original Nikon F, F2, and F3 cameras because I wanted to make it as fair a test as possible. I set each of the cameras at 1/250th of a second and tried the different film advance modes. Finally, to make things even more interesting, I added the visual of the sound wave recording so you can see what each sound looks like visualized. I hope you liked this video. If you like the content I am creating, please consider subscribing. Thanks so much.